Welcome to the Bellaria residence, the pinnacle of class and elegance. Conveniently located in Vaughan, you'll be pleased to be within walking proximity to Vaughan Mills Shopping Center. Endless family fun at Wonderland, an abundant assortment of restaurants, grocery stores, public transit, and quick access to highways 404 and 407. Come home in style to this Venetian-inspired grand lobby. Entering your bright and spacious open-concept condo is bound to make you smile. The kitchen is ideal for cooking and entertaining with upgraded stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar. Take special notice of the brand new flooring, fresh paint, 9-foot ceilings, and upgraded light fixtures. The dining and living rooms offer generous space for your lifestyle and flow perfectly into the enclosed solarium, so you can appreciate the unobstructed view all year round. Wind down and relax in this huge master bedroom, located next to the bright den, which can be used as a second bedroom. Pamper yourself in this 4-piece beautiful bathroom. The building amenities will amplify your lifestyle and include a gorgeous library, games room, party room, 24-hour concierge and security, theater, gym, yoga room, barbecue area, and a courtyard ideal for dog walking, and forested trails great for exercising. Welcome home.